Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. Are you searching for a super easy Republic Day speech for UKG and LKG students? You are in the perfect place. This video brings you a short and simple Republic Day speech for LKG and UKG kids specially created for nursery, kindergarten and pre-primary students. If you are a parent or teacher looking for a Republic Day speech in English for kids, this video is exactly what you need. This Republic Day speech for small children uses easy English words, clear pronunciation, and child-friendly lines, making it ideal for Republic Day programs in their school. It is perfect for kids preparing their first stage performance and helps build confidence and public speaking skills. Watch till the end to learn a best Republic Day speech for LKG, UKG and nursery students that is easy to memorize, fun to say and full of patriotic spirit. Now let's get started with the video. First line is, "Good morning teachers and my dear friends." Second line is, "Today is Republic Day." Third line is, "We celebrate it on 26th January." Fourth line is, "A republic means people choose who runs the country." Fifth line is, "On this day, India started using its own rules." Sixth line is, "These rules are written in a big book." Seventh line is, "This book is called the Constitution." Eighth line is, "The Constitution gives us equal rights." Ninth line is, "We love our India very much." Last line is, "Thank you, Jai Hind."